not sure if this is open. I don't know what's in here. Oh, it is open. Let's go inside. Oh, how cute. No, it's not a map. I thought it was a map. It's something else. Hello. Windows to our wildest place. My goodness, what is this? Wow. Oh my God.
Is this your first visit out here?
Yes.
If we can answer any questions, we'll try.
Okay. Oh my God, it's a wolf. Oh, it's a coyote. Oh my gosh. Not a wolf. And it's a bobcat. Oh my God. Look at the bobcat. Wow. Oh, she's so pretty. Wow. You don't have any maps for the trail? I took a picture.
Should be right there. Yes,
This one?
Brooker Creek?
This one here? No.
They're over here.
Okay. Oh yeah, the hiking trails. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We have a nature store over there that friends run.
Oh, I want to check it out.
There's all kinds of exhibits down here, and there's a 10-minute movie that we strongly encourage you to take time to go see.
This is absolutely amazing. I've never known about this place. I always got it confused as a Brooker Creek section at Lutz Lake Fern Trail, the Upper Tampa Trail on Ramblewood. I thought that was the Brooker Creek. But this is absolutely gorgeous in here. Amazing. I've never been here. I don't even live that far. Amazing. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this cute little owl. I know who's gonna like this owl. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And there's a little gator. Fall Wildflower Festival. It's another little owl. I like owls. Oh, there's an elk. Oh, dear. So pretty in here, so clean. There's the little owls. I'm gonna buy some before I leave. Beautiful. Hello. Here are some t-shirts. I like those t-shirts. Oh, there's a little... Oh my gosh, how cute. Alright. Gorgeous. Alright, let's go hiking. I'll come back in here later.